Good morning. It's Friday the 25th of May, and as we come in this morning, agricultural markets are up. We're looking around the board. Energy markets are down quite a bit. Dollar up. Precious metals are down. We have kind of a mixed picture in global stock markets, with Asia closing mostly lower, a little mixed. Europe is currently trading mostly higher, but also mixed. And the U.S. is down some, down about 5. Let's talk about cotton market. Yesterday, the thing that was most noticeable was the strength in new crop, December cotton, and weakness. Well, it wasn't weak. It was up in the July cotton, but not nearly as much. It turns out the explanation for that was probably the fact that the big commodity funds many of them automatically switched to the month with the most volume. It just happened that December now has the most volume, so there was a sudden move with speculators that had been the funds, the large speculators that had been long July cotton. We saw them rolling, which means they sold the July and they were buying the December to replace it, and that action caused July to be weak relative to December. Today, we're getting a little bit of a change on that. The July is up more than the December. Perhaps that gyration is a one-day affair. We'll keep an eye on that. The grain markets yesterday were up. Yesterday they were up early and then closed lower, but today we're up. I think yesterday's announcements with postponing the meeting with North Korea, an announcement of possible sanctions against our allies and with regard to auto tariffs, created some discomfort in the markets, and people decided to back away some, and that's the reason the grain markets were off. So, but they're up today. Let's just take a look at these markets. Well, one other thing, OPEC is discussing easing production, and with that market's getting hit and is down quite a bit. We are up 60 in July cotton at 88.06 with a high of 88.59, a low of 87.29. December cotton, now the lead month, so we'll always mention that from here on out. Up 50 at 86.05, a high of 86.32, a low of 85.35. July soybeans are up 5 at 10.40 and 3/4, a high of 10.42, a low of 10.35 and a half. July corn up 1 1/4 at 4.05 and a half, a high of 4.06 and a half, a low of 4.03 1/4. July wheat's up 6 3/4 at 5.37, a high of 5.37 3/4, a low of 5.28 1/4. So a lot of movement there. Crude oil is down $1.60 a barrel at 69.11 in July crude oil. The dollar up 35. Gold and silver were up strong yesterday. They're now actually down a small amount, down about $1 in gold, down about $2 in silver. And we've got the S&P futures right now down 5.4. I'm going to check the calendar. Let's look at that. We have today advanced durable goods at 7:30. And one other announcement, Monday is Memorial Day. That's a holiday, so we're looking at a 3-day weekend. And in this time of the year, a special note on cotton. It seems that many years we have movement over this holiday. We'll come in Tuesday and see what happens. Because just a word of warning there, going into the weekend, you can have some really dramatic moves over Memorial Day holiday for cotton. So that's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.